Hi there, welcome back to our Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos. I try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about RFMcube, which is basically a software that allows you to connect a database to your sales history, and you can then use the data collected to make the marketing easier, as they're saying here. Right, so straight away, we can say that to be honest, the title is not very clear because it just says make your marketing easier. I mean, I guess it could have gone more in depth about what specifically they do other than just marketing easier. But that's that. Anyway, they've got two CTAs that you can click on if you want, and then by scrolling down, we can see they've got more explanation about what they do here. More specifically, you can see that you can connect your database in order to get more information about your sales history. And they go more in depth about how it works, about how it can improve the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. And here they've got a really good demonstration video, which is always helpful to um, increase the trust in the prospects' minds. A good thing that they do here as well is that they've got a number of brands that they've worked with. And this again is helpful to increase the social proof in the prospects' minds, this brand. Now they go more in depth about how it works. And the good thing here is that they've also got a good number of testimonials from people that have previously used this software. So this is good. It would have been potentially helpful to have some of these above the fold as well to just hit the customers with that as soon as they jump on the page, because not a lot of people scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. It's just people like me who are just going through the funnel of a specific business. Well, the good thing though that they do here is that they've got a clear pricing structure where you can see based on which tools you need for your business. Okay, so this is really good. You can update it in real time to see which one would be best for you. And then here they've got more information about how that you can integrate this software with all these integrations. And then that takes us to the end of the video. Um, One thing that I would suggest to them is to potentially add a frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page, because these are good to handle any objection that a prospect might have about using this software. And also, since there's a lot of case studies, they could have added at least one of them or a couple on the homepage directly, again to increase the credibility of this software, and also because it gives the prospect a way to know what working with this business would feel like if they were to choose to do that. And other than that, I would say even adding a contact form above the fold, just increase the number of opt-ins might be helpful, and you can do that by simply incentivizing the prospects to provide their contact details, whether that is by offering a freebie, a discount, or any kind of incentive to encourage them. That might be helpful. Um, just for completion, if we click on try for free, the CTA to see how it works, you can see they've got a really simple contact form with all the informations that they're gonna talk about. But again, it might have been helpful to have some of the um, credibility elements like this slideshow of brands above a lot higher up, closer to the actual contact form, especially with this 4.7 review on reviews rate, average review rating on Capterra. It might have been helpful to have that not only on this try demo page, but also the actual homepage, especially above the fold. And so this could definitely help them. And also these testimonials might have been helpful to have them on the actual homepage. But other than that, and once again, they say that these two are required, but I guess they need to be clear on which ones are actually required for the customers and which ones are not. So I feel like with these modifications, this business would be able to increase the conversions by a lot. And other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you happen to be a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call with me, and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.